Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video demonstrating tables and total rows. It's aimed at MacEwan University students taking business computing, and you can download the Excel highlights file using the link below. I'm on the basic spreadsheet, and I'm down on row 27. I'm going to highlight a section here that includes some titles and some data. Then I'm going to go to the Insert menu and select Table. Excel understands the range I've selected, and it also takes a good guess that my table has headers. So in other words, it understands that name, sales, commission are not really part of the data. They're part of the headings or headers. So I'm going to click OK. And you'll notice now I have these drop-down menus here. I can use them to do sorting and filtering. So for example, I can drop this one down and sort A to Z. So that would put my 4 records in alphabetical order, and it also moves the data along with them. So it treats the entire row as a unit, as a record. I could also do filtering, so I could go to bonus and filter it so that I didn't see all the records. I only saw the ones where the person had earned a $300 bonus. And I could click OK. So now I'm only seeing 2 of the 4 records, and I see this extra symbol here indicating that I'm filtering things. If I select that drop down again, I can clear those filters, and I see all the records again. Now, one of the things that people sometimes miss is I can turn on total rows here. So if I click on that up in the ribbon, I get a total row, and it already has totaled up this column over here because it had the heading total at the top. So if I look at that particular cell and I use the drop-down menu, I can see that it has already summed up that column. What's a little bit less obvious is I can do similar things with the other cells. If I click on a particular cell like sales, I could get, for example, average sales by using the drop-down and selecting average. Or I could find out the minimum commission, for example. So I could click on that cell and I could get the minimum commission. If I don't need the total rows anymore, I could turn them off. And if I'm anywhere within the table, I can convert the entire table back to a range if I don't need it to be a table anymore. So I can go up to the ribbon and click on Convert to Range. It gives a verification message, but yes, I do want to convert it back to a normal range. The only thing it leaves behind is the formatting, so it leaves the blue and white in this case. I'm not sure if that's a bug or a feature, but that's the way Excel behaves. That's it. Thanks for watching.